If I reach for you, trembling and weak, show you the words my heart can't speak, will you guide me where the light still leaks, or leave me lost, drowning in the deep? If I give you my hand, will you help me understand? Will you hold on when the waves come crashing through? Will you stand firm when the winds howl and skies turn blue? If I give you all my fears, will you calm the storm of tears? Will you hold on and promise to see me through? I'll walk beside you through the darkest night, through shadows